I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid electrical wires in walls. It is incredibly important to know what lies behind your drywall before drilling or cutting. Hitting a live electrical wire can cause severe injury, including electric shock or even fire. Furthermore, damaging wires leads to expensive repairs and inconvenient power outages. The safest and most effective way to prevent these hazards is by using a dedicated wire detection tool. Modern wire detectors are sophisticated tools designed to find live alternating current voltage within your walls. These devices work by sensing the subtle electromagnetic fields that are generated when electricity flows through a wire. Many advanced models can also detect other hidden objects, such as wooden studs, metal pipes, and even rebar. Always remember that calibrating your device on a clear wall section is crucial for obtaining precise and reliable results. To use your wire detector effectively, begin by calibrating it on a section of the wall where you know there are no obstructions. Then, slowly scan the device across the wall in a consistent, horizontal or vertical pattern. When the detector indicates a wire, mark the area lightly with a pencil. For maximum accuracy, scan the same spot from at least 2 different directions to confirm your findings before proceeding with any work. Your safety is paramount when working near electrical systems. If you suspect wires are present, always turn off the power to that circuit at your breaker box before starting any work. Treat all detected wires as live until you are absolutely certain they are not. For any complex or uncertain situations, it is always best to consult a qualified professional electrician. Never drill or cut into an area where a wire has been detected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.